Mark, the MAM72-35V, we're revisiting this machine. We've looked at it several times and your customers. Why is it so popular?
Well, I think really, we are the originators of the multi-pallet 5-axis machines. The oldest machine is now 30 plus years old in the UK and still running strong 24/7.
So, I mean, that 30 years old, one of these machines. So you've been in this marketplace for decades.
Yes, that's right. And that customer in particular has bought every single generation of the 35Vs from that very first machine right up to the current machine that you see behind us today.
Okay, what's a prime example of somebody that purchases one of these, Mark?
Well, a lot of people think that it is just purely for volume manufacturing, but the beauty of the 35V is that, if you wanted to turn your production into, a sort of vending machine sort of setup, then the 35V can handle and can enjoy manufacturing high variety work pieces as much as it may be producing volume parts 24/7. It's really about utilising every single hour of every single day. And I said, high variety or high volume, the machine doesn't really it doesn't need to understand which is which. It will just quite happily work to your schedule that you apply to the machine.
So what can be your expectation of how much uptime you can get out of the spindle on these machines then? How much time is that going to be running, or could it be running?
It will run 24/7. If you could exploit every single hour of every single day, then this machine will do it reliably.
And is there an argument, or is this one of your sales arguments, that you can replace several, less sophisticated machines with one and still get more out of it, even though there's only one spindle?
For sure, yeah. And it's not necessarily about being less sophisticated. We quite often replace maybe 6 standalone 5-axis machines that may be being manned by 3 people across 2 shifts. Each man running 2 machines. You suddenly put all of that work onto one of these, run it 24/7, and in reality, depending on the work, you can man this for 4 hours a day to give you 24 hours production.
Would you then class the reason for the success of this machine as people changing the way they look at how they're making things, or because they just need more spindles? What's the balance, or another spindle?
It's normally a bit of everything, to be fair. It's when customers get to that point that they start looking at maybe buying more spindles and adding more people to it. Well, actually, what they can do is the opposite. They can just consolidate it onto one machine, run more hours with less people.
And what's the economy of it? Is it an expensive machine to run? Talk me through maybe the cost of ownership on something like this.
Well, the cost of ownership, obviously, this machine is almost £500,000 piece of kit, but by virtue of the fact that you're removing the man from the equation, suddenly the return on investment is that much higher. Compared to maybe a single table 5-axis machine, this machine will probably pay for itself in half the time as a single table machine would, almost, at the same time being double the price.
And the reliability of the product, if you want it to run 24/7, you need to have, a pretty good history of delivering results. How do these machines maintain tolerance over such a long period of time?
Well, the machine, it's inherently a very, very stable machine. We fit glass scales as standard on all axes, both the rotary axes and the linear axes. But really it's down to the design, keeping the table as low down into the casting as possible. It's a true bridge type machine, but it's just designed to be quick, agile. With the table surface being below the centre of rotation, we're able to keep our x-axis quite short. And all this just means that the machine can move around a part so much smoother and quicker.
And last year, Matsuura did have a good year, even under the circumstances. Was a lot of that down to people re-looking at the way they make things and investing in machines like this?
For sure, yes. If you take, it's not just this machine. If you take the MX330 PC10, that was introduced really to cover between shifts, whereas the 35E is designed to work for 2, 3, maybe 4 days unmanned, depending on the workload. And really, it's that ability to explore every hour of every day that people are enjoying through this type of machine. And they go in, they run, they're accurate. It's not just the machine. We talk about the accuracies and everything else, but the machine comes with a swarf system, and a coolant tank of 1,200 litres. Yeah, the whole package is designed to allow you to run unmanned for long periods of time without stopping.
and I suppose the popularity is the reason that you carry them in stock like this machine is here too.
Yeah, for sure. Matsuura, typically we have around 30 machines in stock at any one time, whether they be in build, whether on the water, or actually here at Colville. But at the current time we have 35Vs in stock, the same as MX330s, and a lot of other machines throughout the range that we have available for quick deliveries.